All right, so let's get into it. We took a loss today. I knew we were due for one, so it's okay. Um, we were on a Telegram call with someone else, and we probably weren't the most locked in as we needed to be, just because we were kind of listening to what he was saying as well. But that is totally okay. I'm not too frustrated for this because I know exactly what we did wrong, and we'll just not let it happen again. Um, but yeah, we were originally bearish coming into the day. Um, we wanted to see these daily lows get tapped into, um, and then here, uh, we were kind of like mixed. Like it was mixed signals, really, in my opinion, just because we were right in the middle of really all the draws that we wanted of liquidity. But we kind of had these like stacked up draws here. Um, we kind of just consolidated all of um, the sessions and stuff. But hey, kitty, what are you doing? Hey, get over here. Come here. Hey, hey. Sorry. Um, New kitty is kind of crazy. Um, but we ended up. I'm sorry. What the heck am I talking about right now? Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, we were like kind of consolidating London session and Asia session, but we really just kind of thought we were going to get a retracement and wanted to hit some of these stacked up draws of liquidity here. Like we got this draw, this one, potentially these Asia lows here. Um, but yeah, anyway, and so we were in the 5 minute, and we ended up, what's it called? We ended up breaking structure on the 5 minute. I'm sorry, I couldn't think what the heck why I even took the trade. Sorry, that's pretty bad. But yeah, so we ended up breaking structure on the 5 minute to the downside, because we were trying to target lows. So obviously we're targeting downside for now, and then um, we were able to draw at equilibrium. We tried to get a retracement up. We tapped in equilibrium. At this point, we were honestly just waiting for a 1 minute break of structure or inverse gap at this point. And so we ended up getting that just about right here on this red line. Um, and yeah, so we entered on this, stops above this high right here, targeting final Asia low right here. That's kind of what we were trying to get in the trade. But then as we started going lower a little bit, and then we started to come higher, and like around here our stops were up here, but I was just like, okay, what's going on? Like why is this not going in our favor, obviously, and so then we were just kind of like looking, and we were just like, well, if you really want to think about it, these draws and liquidity on the daily are very strong, because you have this move up, move down, boom, this high right here, boom, and then you have this high right here on the daily as well. And these are kind of relative equal highs on the daily, so that makes it even stronger draws and liquidity. And so yeah, and then while we were in the trade as well, I went to the 4 hour, and I was just like, holy crap, like this is exactly like yesterday. This is exactly like yesterday's case. We were tapping into this 4 hour what's it called? We were filling this 4 hour imbalance. Boom. Rejecting it. We see price move higher. That's exactly what we saw yesterday. And so I was like, oh crap, like this is probably not going to go in our favor here, because and so I was like, all right, let's rerun it real quick. Let's rewind. Let's see what we could have done. There was a whole bullish SMT here, in 5 minute bullish SMT, and we didn't even see it while we were like entering this trade. So that just means we obviously weren't paying attention fully. So that's kind of unfortunate, but we know exactly what we did wrong. So we got that bullish SMT. Boom, this was completed right here. But yeah, and so then we would have been able to draw at equilibrium these highs. Boom, we tap it. We would have been able to enter on a 1 minute breaker structure, and we would have been able to target those daily highs, and it would have been a pretty good RR. But yeah, that's pretty much what I thought for today. But yeah, it was really similar to yesterday. So yeah, we'll see you Friday for a recap. Tomorrow we are not trading and it's closed. So yeah, peace.